How to make super easy and absolutely delicious 3-ingredient banana bread. You have probably seen already some 3-ingredient banana bread recipes circulating online that involve using a cake mix. However, to make this delicious and super easy banana bread, you don't need a cake mix. All you need is just 3 very simple ingredients. To make this easy banana bread, you will need ripe bananas, 1 whole can of sweetened condensed milk, and 2.5 cups of self-rising flour. And that is all. You'd be surprised how these 3 simple ingredients will result in a deliciously moist, fluffy, and slightly crumbly loaf of banana bread. Here is how to make this 3-ingredient banana bread. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Take 1 whole can of sweetened condensed milk, which is about 400 grams or 15 ounces. Peel the bananas and mash them with a fork or a potato masher. Add the sweetened condensed milk and self-rising flour. Sift the flour. That makes it lighter and easier to mix. Mix all the ingredients until the flour is just about incorporated and creates a thick batter. It is very important that you don't overmix the batter. I have left the link in the description below the video for the full list of banana bread mistakes and how to fix them. Now, line your loaf pan with parchment paper. Pour the batter into the pan and smooth it out with a spoon or spatula. Bake the loaf for about 50 minutes in the middle of the oven until the top is golden brown. While it's still in the oven, you can check by inserting a wooden stick into the center of the loaf. If the stick comes out clean, it's ready. Remove the banana bread from the oven and let it rest in the pan for 10 minutes before slicing. If you liked this easy 3-ingredient banana bread recipe, then check out how I make tasty and scrumptious bread rolls using just 2 ingredients. I have left the link in the description below this video. Check it out now.